Hi guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel Sport Illustrated subscription. So all official steps you can see on your screen. So let's get started.
If you would like to cancel your subscription, you can call us at 1-8005-285-000 or 1-888-806-4833. You can call this toll-free number from any phone. You will need to call customer service during regular business hours, which are Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 9:30 p.m. CST. When a customer service representative comes onto the line, let them know that you are calling because you no longer want to have Sports Illustrated delivered in your mailbox. Or you might say, I want to cancel my subscription. You can find your account number on the address label on your magazine or on any invoices you've received. If you have a digital subscription, your account number should be located in your account information. Additionally, the representative may ask you to provide your delivery address or other information. And rest follow the prompts as they say. Method 2. Cancel a Sports Illustrated subscription via online. Visit c.com/my account. Log in with your account number and zip code. Navigate to the My Account page and click Cancel My Subscription. If you signed up for a print subscription on or after 17 July 2024, you may cancel that subscription at any time and may receive a full refund for all unmailed issues under that subscription. To receive your refund, contact customer service. Subscription fees for mailed issues and digital content are not refundable. Once you cancel, you will continue to have access to any digital content provided as part of your subscription until the end of the current subscription term. If you wish to cancel your print subscription but wish retain the digital copies of any issues you received as part of your subscription, please contact customer service. If you signed up for an automatically renewing subscription, you must cancel before you receive the final issue of your current subscription term to avoid being charged for the next subscription term. And you are done.
Dear friends, by using this method you can easily cancel your Sport Illustrated subscription. Hopefully you understand my all the points. If yes, please hit the like button and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.